Our topic for today is electrical interview. This topic is very useful for us. Common industrial distribution system. We have 120, 240 volt single phase, line 1 black, line 2 red, and neutral white. Please see the reference fixtures at the side. And we have also 120, 240 volts 3-phase 4-wire system, delta high leg. The next one is a 120 to 8 volts 3-phase 4-wire system, white connected. The line 1 or A is black, line 2 is red, line 3 is blue, and neutral is white. And the most common for industrial 277 480 volts 3-phase 4-wire system is brown, orange, yellow. The brown is line 1, the orange is line 2, and the yellow is line 3, and our neutral is gray or green with yellow. The next one is electrical formula for calculating amperes, horsepower, and kilowatt. We have an example here, how to find the value of current. Look at it, just pause the video. And to find the current with known kilowatts. And to find the value of kilovolt amperes, this is for the single phase. And this one is for 3-phase. The only difference for single phase and for 3-phase is square root of. And the next one is direct current. So if you are dealing with direct current, you can also watch this one. And we have here the continuation of single phase when you are going to look for amperes and when watts, volts, and power factor are known. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you.